Your names on the left, guys. 2020 Immaculate Collegiate, along with one box of Donruss football. We're going to start with the Donruss. Let's get everybody some cards here. Who knows? Maybe there's a big hit waiting for us. Then we will jump into our 2 boxes of Immaculate Collegiate. Good luck, guys. All these cards do ship, so everyone will have a good stack, even if Immaculate does you wrong. Hopefully not. Alright, put our base on top. Good luck. Filler card, Corey Littleton. This is a Raiders card, red. Dominators, Patrick Mahomes. Amari Cooper, 2000. Johnson, rookie. And Devontae Parker, base. Rookie Gridiron Kings, Jake Fromm. Elite Series rookies, LaVisca. Retro Earl Campbell. Ashton Davis, our rookie. Last one on the back. We got Fournette. Fournette going to the Bucks. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We got Melvin Gordon, 500 Broncos. Cam Akers, the rookies. Kyler Murray, 2000. And Tua. Nice rated rookie card. I should have the Eagles on this. On Immaculate. No, I don't think so. Let's find out. Will you check? We had a cancellation. Terry McLaurin, right? I'll check for you, though, David. Are you in on the Mixer or the Immaculate Collegiate? Woodson. Frank Gore, highlights. Bills. Patrick Queen, rookie. And Joe Montana. Yes, 2 Immaculate, 1 Donruss. Watt, Hopkins, Allen, and Jimmy G. Filler card, Justin Jefferson, canvas.
Requested cancellation.
Yeah, you requested a cancellation, David. So, we have it to another buyer. I can show you the email. Yeah, it's under Cara, but there's a cancellation request. Once we're done here, I'll show you the email. Anthony McFarland. Tyreek Hill, 2000. Kyle Duggar, and McCole Hardman. Yeah, once that cancellation is pending, we can't do anything. Is it paid? Yeah, it wasn't paid for. As soon as it won, there was a cancellation, so it takes it off. It's not under any of the category. Is it paid?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let me clear this. Jacob Eason out of 100 Colts. Joe Green, the Legend Series. So, Sorensen, Big Ben, and Isaiah Simmons. Can you decline that? Or how's that going to work? Alright, David, I'm going to put you down. Like I said, that's pending, so we're going to have to probably do it. I don't know why cancellation request came through, but it did. It's all good, though. You've got the Eagles. We'll put you down, and we'll decline the cancellation and see what the next step is. DK Red Seahawks. Stephon Gilmore Action All Pros. Aaron Donald, 2000. Yeah, Arnett and Chris Jones. So, right here, under cancellation requests. Submitted on the buyer's behalf, so it's all good. Cleo was a local. It's all good, David. Sometimes things happen. Like I said, we'll take care of it to you. We have a couple of local customers here. They like to pick up the unsold, so we reach out to them. So it's no biggie. Just let Cleo know that it was taken care of. Jersey Kings, the $2.99, James White, Patriots. New England going out to Tim. There we go, Tim. Getting on the board. All-time Gridiron Kings, Terry B. Tony Gonzalez. Debo highlights. And John Hightower. Yep, no problem. You know, things happen. It's all good. Do our best to take care of you guys. Ryan Kittle Rudolph. Filler card. Michael Thomas to 500 Saints. Travis Kelce Dominators. George Kittle. Yes, please. Mahomes and Jerry Jeudy rated rookie. Slayton Campbell Martinez. Michael Pittman Jr. Nice red rated rookie for the Colts. Denzel Mims. Inducted Troy Polamalu. Eno Benjamin rookie and Carson Wentz base. Stafford, Smith, Taylor Ingram, Sanu, LaVisca. Nice canvas going out to the Jags. Michael Pittman, the rookies. 2000 Bobby Wagner, Nate Stanley, and Aqib Talib. Kerrigan, Birdstem, Bosa, Earl Campbell. How about that? To 25. Retro Series Earl Campbell autograph. Chris, there we go. Titans. Old school auto. Shaquille Barrett highlights, number to $100. Adam Thielen. Patty Mahomes, Legends of the Fall. Adams and Devin Duvernay rated rookie card. After Immaculate, we've got a half case of Donruss football, guys. On deck, Donruss. Filler card, DJ Chark, red for the Jags. KJ Hamler, the rookies. Adam Thielen, 2000 Donruss. Kenneth Murray and Brett Favre. Sanders, Kirk, Jones, Andrews, Winovich, Nick Bosa. Gridiron Kings. Jalen Hurts, Elite Series rookies. Legends of the Fall, Bill Romanowski, Antoine Winfield, and Jerome Baker. Yep, they did. Yep, all teams were paid for. I think there might have been one that we were waiting on, but it's taken care of. There was just one, and I don't think it was an Immaculate. I'm pretty sure it was Donruss, which had just ended, so. Dominators, Adam Thielen. Michael Thomas, 2000. Aaron Rodgers, and Jacob Eason. A lot of Eason so far. Sweat, Correa, Manning. Red, Deshaun Watson. This is the Immaculate. We've just got a box of Donruss in here in addition to. Michael Thomas, Elite Series. Brett Favre, Retro. Noah, and Jack Lambert base. So, yep, we got 2 boxes of Immaculate right after these 2 packs. Filler canvas, Jalen Reagor. Justin Herbert, the rookies, Chargers. Drew Brees, 2000, and Ross Blacklock. Last pack for this one. Chris Godwin, die cuts, number to 25, gold. Bucks. Short print there, Yusuf. Derek Carr, Power Formulas, Derrick Henry highlights. Minka and Antonio Gandy Golden rated rookie card. Alright, now to the fun stuff here. Immaculate football. Good luck, guys. Nasty patches in here. Let's hope we can find a big one. Good luck, guys. Empty box. All right. Good luck. Starting off, we have David Montgomery to 99 for the Bears. Bears going out to James. Number 2, KJ Hamler to 99 jumbo. Broncos, Chad. There we go, Chad. Bronco hit for you. Next up. Ooh. Gloves, KJ Hamler to 96. Massive card here. Glove relic. It's a nice acetate as well. Chad. Adding to the stack, Chad. All right. James Prosh to 99 rookie auto. Will you verify this for me, please? 83 of 99 rookie auto SMU. Let's verify where James goes. Ravens, Baltimore. Let's go out to Joe L. Next up, redemption. Let's see, rookie autographs. 112, J.K. Dobbins, Ravens again. Joe. A couple back-to-back Broncos and a back-to-back Ravens. Very nice. All right. To 25, A.J. Dillon going out to Green Bay. Rookie patch auto. On card, A.J. Dillon. 20 of 25. Packers, Yusuf. And our last one. Henry Ruggs to 49. 2-color RPA Raiders. Jamian. There we go. 36 of 49. Some very nice rookies in here, but no crazy patches. So let's hope this next box is packing the heat. Good luck. Starting us off, Miles Sanders to 99. Eagles. Eagles going out to David. There we go. 60 of 99. Albert O to 99 RPA on card. Broncos again. Chad. We've got a half case of Donners we got to get through, and then I think that's it for tonight. We've got a lot of Mosaic football coming in at the end of the week, so have a lot of fun later this week. Ooh, this is beautiful. 1 of 1 Donovan Peoples-Jones. Look at that patch. Outback Bowl. 1/1 jumbo. James, how about that, buddy? Worth the wait? Crazy jumbo patch, man. 1/1. Beautiful. Going out to the Brownies and James. Congrats. All right, next up. 35/49. James Morgan, red rookie auto. Going to the Jets. Shannon. James Morgan, rookie auto. You know, Shannon, with as many James Morgan autos you have, if he is somehow the sleeper in the draft, you made it. Ooh, check this one out. Isaiah Simmons, 1/10. Look at that patch. On-card RPA. Going to Yusuf. 1/10. These are the patches we want. Couple more. Jacob Eason /99. Rookie auto, 46/99. We're just a little behind. I've got one more card here, about 5 minutes behind. Colts going out to TS Sports Cards. And the last card going to be Cowboys. 10/99. CeeDee Lamb. Rookie autograph. Greg, there we go. Took a little while. Snagging the last hit. CeeDee Lamb. Beautiful. All right. Does it for Immaculate, guys. Appreciate it. Yes, James, I can do that.